So I've got a side business that we started years ago that I have a patent on. It's called Forever Line Club. And so we had to make single retainers and single sets of aligners, up to 5 aligners at a time, to fit into the Forever Line Club business model. And the business model was basically we wanted to keep your teeth straight forever. And so we patented it. We have investors. It's called Forever Aligned Club again. The trademark that we have for the term and for the marketing we use is called Shift Happens, because we know that no matter how straight the orthodontist gets your teeth, shift is going to occur at some point. And so to make the small batch aligners and be profitable, we had to get away from what I call indirect printing, where we have to print the model and then thermoform the plastic over top of it. So I've been kind of waiting for a high quality direct printed material and printer to come out, and LuxCreo provided that for us. So now we know how much it costs to make us a direct printed retainer and small batch aligners, because it basically cut out the need for almost any type of manufacturing. I actually have some patents on appliances, orthodontic appliances that could not be made with an indirect printing printer. So I had to wait around for LuxCreo to finally become a reality. And so what we do is we design retainers using direct printed material to act as a spring retainer. Most patients want a clear retainer, but with any kind of minor movement, it's hard to get them to go for a Holly type retainer that has a wire across the front. So I patented a design for a clear retainer that was not available until LuxCreo came out. So I'm using the LuxCreo printer to print a retainer that will keep your teeth forever aligned in our Forever Line Club. Like I said, the small batch aligners, we can increase the thickness where we need it and decrease it where we need it, which you can't do it on thermoform aligners. So LuxCreo is going to be a game changer, a huge game changer for a lot of doctors. Oh, listen, they're killing it. I watch them manufacture these things. They're almost giggly because now they don't have to worry about trimming these things out, the dust going everywhere, and wearing these masks and everything. They're like, Dr. David, this is so much better. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I was worried about even wearing the masks when they're trimming traditional retainers and aligners. That dust, you're not going to get all the particulate matter out of the air. We even had vacuums that would suck it out of the air. Now it's basically, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff anymore. So my staff absolutely loves it. So return on investment is fantastic. Before, it's hard to take into account the manufacturing cost of making these things, okay, traditionally with the thermoform, because you had material costs, you have printer cost and depreciation of the printers, and then how often you've got to buy a new printer. And then from a manufacturing standpoint, you've got people who go slow and some go fast. Now that you've eliminated the manufacturing really from the equation, you really can drill down and say, this is how much money each appliance costs me, period. And so it'll have a ripple effect, I think, on a lot of dental labs and their employees as well, because I think you're going to see a huge shift from not just my medium-sized lab. You're going to see a shift in larger labs are going to go to it, because it just, from a cost standpoint, you can't beat the cost. Under $10 per appliance right now for us, which is good. Well, it's fantastic. I can tell you secondhand, because I'm not the one that physically prints these things. I'm like any doctor, I see a good technology, I'm like, let's get that, and then I have my staff train on it. So, but the staff I've had have been here working with me for years and have done these things, made these things by hands for years, and they're like, Dr. David, this changes everything, because now it comes down. The important part is now data processing and not the manufacturing. You've eliminated the need for almost any manufacturing. And so the training had to be exceptional because it's a paradigm shift going from indirect printed models and we'll call them appliances to direct printed. Really puts the emphasis on people learning the technology. And so you guys have been great with the training from Voxel and getting us trained correctly with the LuxCreo system. And they've really streamlined it. They absolutely love it and will never go back. This is from my staff. They just want to give a shout out to Grant Gallagher. They said that he's been fantastic to work with, and so they wanted me to make sure that that mentioned Grant on this, and all you guys. If you're using any other kind of printer right now, you need to take a hard look at Voxel and their LuxCreo printers. It's definitely a game changer for us.